Hello everyone. Welcome back to Knotwise Tavern. Today I'm putting on my apron and making something that hangs on the wall. I hope it's pretty. Just using some scrap plywood. This isn't plywood. Ignore that. It's 2x4's. This is scrap 2x4's. I'm going to start by just squaring them all up. I got some purple goop on my gripper. I think that's from plumbing. Anyways, I'm going to rip a bunch of these down into a nice square shape. Now I'm going to measure out my depth of the blocks that I'm going to... And there goes my tape measure. Oh well. I got the measurement. I'm just going to clamp this down. And yes, this is the depth of the various blocks that I'm going to make. So I think I'm starting at like an inch, maybe. I don't know. I wrote them all down on the blocks. I don't really take notes. And by clamping my orbital sander to my bench, because I don't have any other method of doing this, I'm going to sand every single one. It's going to make all the blocks vibrate and dance a little bit, but hey, that's kind of fun. And nope, there goes my drawer. Just popping out. And with that, I am finally done with the sanding. And my hands are now all tingly because the clamp gave out after a little bit. Now I'm going to make them all pretty with varying colors and gradients of brown. There, doesn't that look nice? Okay, so this is going to be the edge. I'm just going to cut it on my miter saw here. It's kind of the border of the frame, I guess, is what those people call it. I don't know who they are, but I'm onto them. Okay, now that I've cut them down to a rough size, I'm going to make some nice miters on them in my miter sled as such. Ha. And of course, there's more sanding, because there's always more sanding when you're woodworking. It's just, inevitable that you have to sand a lot. Okay, now I'm preparing these for some paint. You're going to see me give them a primer base of gray, and eventually I paint them black, but you don't need to see that, I guess. Whoops. Now I'm going to spend a whole lot of time, like way too much time, trying to arrange these and figure out which direction they're going to go. Seriously, this took like most of the time on this project. I spent a good hour and a half here doing this. I sped it up a lot. Once I got it correct, then I'm gluing it down. Seriously, this took a lot of time. Now that it's all dried, I'm taking it over to my table saw to square it all up and shave off some excess backer board and just a hair off of all the blocks to make them nice and even with one another, and then I'll do this on all four sides. And if you haven't figured it out now, I record my voiceovers way after the fact, and I have no thought into what's going to happen in them. I do this as I watch back the finished video after I've edited it, add music, everything. So, yeah, I put so much thought into this. Oh, look, I put the sides on. Now I'm going to finish it. Just using some, what am I using here? Anyways. I think it's just a wipe on poly. Well, I guess now is a good time to thank you for watching. If you haven't yet, please subscribe and like and comment and please share with everyone, even if they don't like wood. If you hate them, send it to them. I don't know. But yes, do all the things for the algorithm and help me out. I would appreciate it so much. Here's some me finishing the back, and now it's time for the final shots.